Palladio is a groundbreaking solar pavement system that transforms walkways and public spaces into sustainable power sources. Made from recycled plastic and durable tempered glass, each tile integrates photovoltaic cells capable of generating clean electricity while supporting heavy pedestrian loads. Designed for urban environments, driveways, and green buildings, Palladio combines functionality with aesthetics, offering a visually sleek, non-slip surface. Its modular structure enables easy installation and maintenance, while smart connectivity allows real-time energy monitoring. Palladio represents the perfect blend of renewable energy innovation and eco-conscious urban design. Bloomer Lehman is a pioneer in timber construction and modular architecture, renowned for precision-engineered wooden structures that combine sustainability, strength, and artistry. Utilizing advanced digital fabrication and CNC milling, the company produces customized timber components for buildings, bridges, and pavilions. Each design showcases an elegant balance between natural materials and cutting-edge technology. Bloomer Lehman's expertise in glulam and cross-laminated timber (CLT) allows for exceptional durability and reduced carbon footprint. Their projects embody architectural innovation with environmental responsibility, redefining what's possible in modern wood construction. PlayX Building Systems introduces a revolutionary modular building block made from recycled materials, offering a durable and sustainable alternative to traditional construction methods. The interlocking design allows quick assembly without cement or heavy machinery, reducing labor costs and environmental impact. Resistant to water, corrosion, and UV exposure, PLAEX blocks are ideal for both permanent and temporary structures. Their system merges green innovation with structural efficiency, enabling architects and builders to create scalable, eco-friendly projects faster than ever. PLAEX represents the evolution of construction clean, smart, and sustainable. Monarplan G by Siplast is a high-performance synthetic waterproofing membrane designed for flat and low-pitched roofs. Manufactured from flexible PVC, it delivers exceptional resistance to UV radiation, weathering, and mechanical stress. The membrane's reinforced glass fleece layer ensures dimensional stability and long-term durability. Easy to install through hot air welding, Monarplan G guarantees a watertight seal even under extreme conditions. Backed by Siplast's global expertise, it offers architects and contractors a reliable, sustainable solution for energy-efficient roofing systems in both commercial and industrial projects. Shafts are essential vertical structures in modern construction, serving as conduits for elevators, ventilation, plumbing, and electrical systems. Engineered for strength and precision, these shafts are typically made from reinforced concrete, steel, or composite materials. Their design ensures stability, load distribution, and fire resistance across multi-story buildings. Advanced prefabrication techniques now allow faster installation with minimal disruption. In contemporary architecture, shafts not only fulfill technical functions, but also contribute to efficient building performance and sustainability through integrated design and smart material use. Han Plastics specializes in transforming post-consumer plastic waste into high-quality, durable construction and landscaping products. Their recycled plastic lumber and profiles offer a long-lasting, maintenance-free alternative to traditional materials like wood or steel. Resistant to moisture, rot, and insects, HAHN Plastics products are ideal for decking, fencing, and civil engineering applications. The company's closed-loop production process ensures zero waste and reduced carbon emissions. By turning waste into innovation, Han Plastics sets the standard for circular economy manufacturing in sustainable infrastructure. Etalbond is a premium aluminum composite panel, ACP, designed for modern architectural facades and interior applications. Composed of 2 aluminum sheets bonded to a mineral-filled core, it delivers exceptional rigidity, flatness, and weather resistance. Available in a wide range of finishes including metallic, mirror, and custom colors, Etalbond enhances both aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency. Lightweight and easy to fabricate, it supports complex geometries and sustainable building certifications. Italbon's advanced coating technology ensures long-lasting performance in demanding environments. The Muckstopper system provides an innovative barrier solution for preventing debris, mud, and contaminants from entering drainage systems and construction sites. Made from high-strength geotextile and corrosion-resistant components, it enables clean water flow while blocking harmful sediment and waste. Designed for quick installation, Muckstopper helps contractors maintain compliance with environmental protection standards. Its reusable, eco-friendly design reduces maintenance costs and minimizes ecological impact. Muckstopper combines practicality with sustainability, a simple yet effective tool for responsible site management. NovaBrick is an innovative mortarless brick siding system that simplifies facade installation while maintaining the timeless beauty of traditional masonry. Each brick interlocks mechanically, requiring no mortar or anchors, ensuring faster and cleaner construction. Made from high-density concrete, NovaBrick provides superior durability, weather resistance, and low maintenance. Its ventilated design enhances moisture control and energy efficiency, making it suitable for both residential and commercial buildings. Combining elegance, efficiency, and sustainability, NovaBrick modernizes masonry for the 21st century. EverPanel is a modular wall and building system that allows rapid assembly of rooms, partitions, and entire structures without tools or adhesives. Made from durable, lightweight plastic panels, it connects securely via an interlocking design, enabling endless configurations. Ideal for offices, event spaces, or temporary housing, EverPanel offers flexibility, reusability, and sustainability. The panels can be reused or reassembled for new layouts, reducing construction waste and costs. Combining innovation with simplicity, EverPanel redefines modular architecture for adaptive, eco-friendly environments. SureWall is a cutting-edge structural wall system that redefines efficiency and strength in modern construction. Engineered using advanced composite materials and interlocking panels, it offers high compressive strength, thermal insulation, and fire resistance. The modular design ensures quick installation and reduces labor costs compared to traditional concrete or masonry walls. SureWall's precision-molded surfaces provide a clean aesthetic, requiring minimal finishing. Designed for both residential and commercial projects, it delivers long-lasting durability while supporting sustainable building practices through reduced material waste and energy efficiency. The AeroDeck aluminum decking system by Craft-Built combines waterproof performance with architectural elegance. Each interlocking panel forms a watertight seal, channeling rainwater away to create dry, usable space beneath decks. Made from durable powder-coated aluminum, AeroDeck resists corrosion, fading, and rot, making it ideal for all climates. Its low-maintenance design requires no painting or staining, while its modern finish enhances outdoor aesthetics. Craft-Built's precision engineering ensures a long lifespan, reflecting the company's commitment to quality, innovation, and sustainable outdoor living solutions. Heratasign is a premium acoustic panel system designed to deliver superior sound absorption with natural aesthetics. Made from wood wool bound with magnesite, these panels provide excellent fire resistance, humidity control, and thermal insulation. Their textured surface adds warmth and character to interiors, making them ideal for schools, offices, and cultural spaces. Available in various colors and sizes, Heratasign panels support creative architectural expression while promoting sustainability. Combining environmental responsibility with acoustic comfort, Heratasign enhances both the performance and ambiance of modern buildings. The Doppelstamattenzahn, or double-rod mesh fence, is a highly durable fencing system widely used for industrial, residential, and public applications. Constructed from galvanized steel with powder-coated finishes, it offers superior strength, rigidity, and corrosion resistance. Its minimalist design ensures security without compromising aesthetics. Easy to install and maintain, the fence provides long-term stability even under harsh weather conditions. Available in various heights and colors, the Doppelstamattenzahn balances practicality, safety, and modern design, representing the European standard for reliable perimeter protection. Procopi is an industry leader in water treatment and pool equipment technology, delivering advanced filtration and circulation systems for residential and commercial installations. Known for engineering precision and energy efficiency, Procopi products integrate intelligent controls, corrosion-resistant materials, and user-friendly maintenance features. The company's innovative solutions improve water quality, extend equipment life, and reduce environmental impact. From pumps to heaters and filtration systems, Procopi stands at the forefront of aquatic innovation, ensuring performance, reliability, and sustainability in every project. EasyFlow is a revolutionary drainage system that replaces traditional gravel and pipe methods with lightweight, pre-engineered bundles of pipe surrounded by synthetic aggregate. Designed for efficient water movement, it eliminates the need for heavy machinery, reducing installation time and labor costs. Made from recycled materials, EasyFlow is eco-friendly, durable, and clog-resistant. Ideal for residential, commercial, and athletic field applications, it provides consistent performance under demanding conditions. EasyFlow's innovation lies in its simplicity, a cleaner, faster, and greener way to manage subsurface drainage. Styropor, developed by BASF, the original expandable polystyrene EPS material used worldwide for insulation and lightweight construction. Renowned for its thermal efficiency and shock absorption, it provides exceptional energy savings and protection in packaging, building, and infrastructure. Its lightweight composition reduces transportation costs and carbon emissions. Fully recyclable, Styropor supports circular economy goals while maintaining high structural performance. Its versatility makes it a cornerstone of sustainable design, a material that combines functionality, innovation, and environmental responsibility. ACO GroundGuard is an innovative ground reinforcement grid system designed for sustainable landscaping and permeable paving. Made from 100% recycled polyethylene, it stabilizes gravel or grass surfaces while allowing natural water infiltration, reducing stormwater runoff. Its interlocking structure ensures quick installation and high load-bearing capacity, suitable for driveways, car parks, and emergency access routes. Resistant to UV, frost, and chemicals, GroundGuard provides long-term durability with minimal maintenance. By promoting eco-friendly urban design, ACO GroundGuard supports greener and more resilient infrastructure. Switchboard Ultra PVC is a next-generation cladding and fascia solution offering durability, low maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. Constructed from advanced unplasticized PVC, it resists rot, warping, and discoloration, outperforming traditional timber boards. Ideal for exterior facades, soffits, and trims, it enhances weatherproofing and extends building life. Its lightweight profile enables easy installation while providing a clean, modern finish. Available in a variety of textures and colors, Switchboard Ultra PVQ combines practicality with visual refinement for both new builds and renovations. Zellige tiles are handcrafted Moroccan ceramics, celebrated for their vibrant colors, natural variations, and timeless artistry. Each tile is individually chiseled and glazed, resulting in a unique surface that reflects light beautifully. Traditionally made from local clay in Fez, Morocco, Zellige embodies centuries of craftsmanship and cultural heritage. Beyond aesthetics, the tiles are durable, water-resistant, and suitable for walls, floors, and architectural accents. Zellige represents the fusion of art and architecture where imperfection becomes the essence of beauty and authenticity. 3D-printed clay blocks mark a new era in sustainable construction, combining traditional materials with additive manufacturing technology. Using locally sourced clay, robotic printers build complex geometries that optimize strength, insulation, and airflow. The process eliminates waste and reduces energy consumption, while the natural composition ensures breathability and thermal comfort. Ideal for eco-conscious architecture, these clay blocks allow for customized designs and rapid assembly, They represent a transformative step towards sustainable, digitally fabricated architecture rooted in natural materials. The spin screed is a revolutionary concrete leveling system designed for efficiency, precision, and ease of use. Unlike traditional vibrating screeds, it rotates a lightweight aluminum tube to smooth concrete surfaces without bringing excess water to the top, resulting in stronger, more durable slabs. Its modular design accommodates various lengths and project sizes, reducing operator fatigue and improving finish quality. Ideal for contractors and large-scale paving operations, the spin screed exemplifies innovation in concrete technology, delivering professional-grade results faster and cleaner. Precast concrete box culverts are engineered structures used for efficient water management, underpasses, and tunnels. Factory-produced under controlled conditions, they ensure consistent quality, strength, and dimensional accuracy. Their modular nature allows rapid on-site assembly, minimizing construction time and disruption. Reinforced with high-grade concrete and steel, they provide superior durability and load capacity. Ideal for infrastructure projects requiring long service life, these culverts support modern engineering's demand for safety, sustainability, and efficiency in civil construction. Certus is a premium insulation and facade solution designed to deliver exceptional thermal performance and energy efficiency. Manufactured from advanced composite materials, it offers superior resistance to moisture, impact, and weathering. Its lightweight panels simplify installation while providing robust protection for external walls. Certus integrates seamlessly with modern architectural designs, reducing heat loss and improving indoor comfort. Backed by rigorous testing and sustainability certifications, Certus is trusted by builders and architects seeking cutting-edge materials for high-performance, eco-friendly buildings. The Solidor SolaSwitch is an intelligent door locking system that blends security with convenience through solar-powered automation. Equipped with integrated photovoltaic panels, it operates independently from external power sources, making it ideal for remote or energy-efficient installations. The system's robust design ensures long-lasting performance and weather resistance. Featuring smart access control and real-time monitoring, SolaSwitch enhances safety while promoting sustainability. As part of Solidor's innovative portfolio, it represents the future of secure, self-sustaining architectural hardware for modern infrastructure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.